If you want to block time in Calendly, whether it's for lunch, a meeting, a vacation, or just some focus time, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to block time in Calendly step by step so people can't book over those hours. This is a super useful trick if you want more control over your calendar and avoid unwanted bookings. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software guides like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Calendly and log into your account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the top of the page and click on the Availability tab. This is where all of your scheduling rules live, so this is the place you need to be if you want to control when people can book time with you. If you only use one schedule, this part is simple. But if you have more than one schedule set up, choose the specific schedule you want to edit. Calendly lets you manage different availability settings depending on the event type or schedule, so make sure you're editing the correct one before making changes. Now look for date-specific hours. In some views, you may also be able to click directly on the date in the calendar. This is the option you want if you need to block out a certain day or a specific time range instead of changing your regular weekly availability. Next, click on the exact date you want to block. This opens up the hours for that day. From here, you can remove the time intervals that are currently available. If you see an X next to a time block, click that to delete it. If there are multiple blocks listed, remove each one that you do not want people to book. This is the main step that blocks time in Calendly. Once those availability slots are deleted, Calendly will treat that time as unavailable, which means no one will be able to schedule over it. This is really helpful when your plans change last minute and you need to protect certain parts of your day. After you finish removing the hours, look for the Apply button or the Update button and click it to save your changes. This step is important because if you don't save, the blocked time may not actually take effect. Once saved, your Calendly availability updates right away. Now you can go back and double check the calendar to make sure the blocked time is gone. If needed, you can repeat the same process for other dates whenever you want to block off more time. You can use this to protect a single afternoon, a full day, or even recurring periods if your schedule changes often. A quick tip. If you need to block time often, it's a good idea to get familiar with the date-specific hours section because that gives you the fastest way to make one-off changes without rewriting your entire availability setup. That can save you a lot of time and keep your calendar cleaner. So that's how to block time in Calendly quickly and easily. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.